Is this thing on?
Testing 1, 2.
Testing. Okay. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. And if you're following along the channel, we're trying to get the Dirty 30 back up and running. So I got Martin with me today.
Hi, I'm back.
There he is, right there. We're going to go ahead and install this HEI distributor. Check it out.
Let's go ahead and get that bracket modified. And while you're doing that, I'll go ahead and get the coil and all that off. Because we won't need the coil or anything with HEI. The coil's in the caps.
Okay.
Cool.
Sounds good.
Yep, break.
Okay, so Martin's pulling out the old distributor and the coil, and I'm going to grind out this section right here on this so we can make way for our throttle body on the Edelbrock. And we shaved a little bit off of that. Hopefully we can get some clearance. Don't let this old man fool you. We still got some tricks. Look at them knees.
Yeah, for now.
Okay, suckers, so we rotated this, hopefully top dead center, but I do think that this engine is a little advanced based off my timing. Take a look at that. So we got our timing lined up. Let's just boop, zoom in. Find it. Find my white lines. There it is. You guys see that. So now that we're all matched up, we're going to get ready for the next step.
Stupid. Hold down.
And for those of you who don't know, there's a little bracket down here where Martin's hand is.
Looks like that.
Looks like that. That's going to hold your distributor in place, or set in place, once you get it in. They're kind of a pain in the butt to get to.
Yeah.
But right now we just got the new HEI with the vacuum advance. Trying to drop it into the hole. Looks like it may have just... Boop.
It dropped right in the hole.
There it is.
There it is.
We're in.
Yep. Yay.
That's what she said.
Ooh.
Alright, so we're on a little adventure to the auto parts store because my battery, well, it's deader than a doornail. I'm gonna go swap it out. Can't even charge it. Won't even register on my battery charger. So, yeah. I hit it with the multimeter. 0.24. And great. Alright, so we're sitting here. I just got back with a new battery. And
you're gonna say something about it.
I'm not.
You're gonna embarrass me and make me
I'm not
look
gonna
stupid.
embarrass. Right, so
it's all right.
We turned the key. Everything started turning over. The engine cranked. But I was like, I'm not hearing any fuel. And he's like, all right, well, we got to find the power. It's not
The bus is loaded.
It's not even hooked up. I'm sitting here. I'm going, what's this power line just hanging here? He's like, yeah, that's why. There it is. So we'll hook up this power line and hopefully get our fuel pump working. There we go, for science. All right, so I don't think we're getting fuel from the tank, so we're gonna try to just pour gas in the carb and then shoot it again. Let's go. Ready? Now let's go. So, it's not getting gas from the tank. We know the float's working. I just took it all in the carburetor. It's tried to turn over. Had some life in her. Got us a little excited. We can't get it to start. Conundrums. Try one more time. Ready?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Holy shit!
Yeah, we just have to get past the fuel problem.
So we just have to get past the fuel problem. Well, that's going to do it for today's episode of Robbie Sucks. We did get it to fire up and run, but we're just not getting gas from the pump into the carburetor. So more troubleshooting with that. My fear, probably a bad sending unit. We do have an externally mounted pump though, but the sending unit could have a vacuum leak, which is causing an issue as well. We're going to have to pull the bed back and take a look at that. But Martin did bring the other square body. It sounded pretty sweet. Check it out here. As always, guys, remember it's okay to suck. Just don't give up. Like, subscribe, keep coming back. Hit up Robbie Sucks on my other socials, such as TikTok and my other channel on YouTube Shorts. And head over to the Instagram page if you want to. I'm going to post some new content up there, so you guys will be seeing it real soon. Always, I love you guys. Peace. Testing. Okay.